Sherry Stewart here for Trade Show News Television, and I'm with Marty from Cisco. We are at Access Control. What is Access Control?
So Stuart, Access Control is the ability for us to control physical doors, so being able to badge in and out when you want to get into a particular location. So what we've got here is Cisco has a complete line of door controllers used to go ahead and allow you to connect it to doors and gates and so forth. As well as we have a line of software that allows us to control all of that. That's kind of what I'm showing you up here on the screen is the different software available. So not only can I, as I badge into a door, I can go ahead and I see the door unlock and so forth like that. I see some messages that show up in my software. That allows me to go ahead and make sure that the right people are getting in at the right place. Well, one of the big things that we need is the ability to tie video to this. So for instance, maybe somebody was trying to force their way into a particular location. I'm going to simulate that with a door forced open. What you'll notice here up on the graphic map is I have icons starting to blink, and I had some messages that showed up over here. That might be good enough for me to figure out who it was that did that. But I also have the ability to come here and take a look at my video and look at who was it that actually tripped that door sensor. Now I have a record of that on video that shows who was it that did that. Another aspect of the access control is, well, there's a lot of desire for energy savings these days. How about if I badged in the morning, turn my office on? So I'm going to simulate that by actually badging out. So I'm badging out of my office. You'll notice here that the lamp and the phone just turned off. Now multiply that by hundreds of thousands of times, you've got a lot of energy savings. Now I come in the morning, I present my card again, I can turn the lamp and the phone back on again. So now imagine that for your entire workforce, you have that capability. Now, for instance, maybe an alert does happen, something bad is going on. Not only do I have the video record of it, I could actually push that to my digital signage. This might be just displaying some information about advertisements, maybe some student information, but now I can reuse that as a way of notifying others when the incident occurred. You might have some volunteers on staff that handle emergency response. Now they have a way of finding out what happened and what's going on. Also, additionally, we have some next generation wireless solutions. What does that mean? Well, for instance, maybe I had a very specific asset, like a laptop, and I wanted to make sure that it didn't move. I could put an asset tag on that laptop. If somebody took it away, we have wireless solutions that allow me to track that. Not just the fact that it left a location, but now I have video tied to that location to see who was it that moved that asset out of the way. So we're tying together all the points of the network, whether that be video surveillance, next-gen wireless, building management systems, and obviously tying it to our access control solution.
So Marty, tell me, how is it that Cisco is able to sell these physical security solutions?
Great question, Stuart. Actually, Cisco is working with a bunch of our partners. We have over 50 different partners that we work with to go to market with these physical security solutions. So we work with these partners that have many, many years experience in this industry of physical security to partner with us to go out and do these deployments, to support the solutions, as well as you can see on this video behind me, we have a whole list of different technology partners that integrate with our products, whether that be for access control, for video surveillance, even our building management system has a set of partners, and of course some next generation wireless capabilities. So that's how Cisco is achieving this, is by our broad range of different partners.
Well, Marty, that was very enlightening. I feel like I learned a lot about Cisco, and it was a pleasure speaking with you. I'm Stuart Brazel for Trade Show News Television.